Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a lot of people, when I posted that video, said there ain't going to be extended updates for Windows 10. Nowhere does it say. I've tried to Google it. I told you there was rumors, and when I talk about rumors, usually the ones that I choose are rumors that are kind of known to be really out there. And, well, if you're on Windows 10, Windows 10 is getting another extension for the updates. If you're on the extended support for security updates, it's not ending in October this year. It's ending in October 2027. Now, it's interesting. Microsoft has not announced it, is not talking about it. It's as if they don't want people to really know. But in their own blog post, they have a editor's note, June 25th, 2026. And it says that the post here has been updated to reflect that the extended security updates program for personal use devices is being provided for an additional year, with coverage now available through October 12th, 2027. So be happy if you're on Windows 10 and wished to continue to use Windows 10. It's going all the way to October 2027. I told you there was a rumor, and that rumor was there for a reason. And we now have the proof that it's actually extended. So, hey guys, you can continue using your PC with the extended Windows 10 updates until 2027. An additional year has been added, and that, I think, reflects that a lot of people are still on Windows 10, and it reflects the openness of the new Windows team to kind of do more of what people want. So beyond 2027, now I don't think that's going to continue, because at the speed of the decline of Windows 10, I think that with that extra year might be, there might be not that many PCs anymore. One of the things also that I think is making Microsoft extend your Windows 10 operating system security updates, the price of PCs that's going through the roof. And Microsoft wants to please the users and saying, well, we know that it's tough times and PCs are expensive, so we're going to continue that extended support. So hooray for those that are on Windows 10. If you want to continue, you now have the extended support up to October 12th, 2027. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.